Here are 3 tips on how to make your basic outfits look more aesthetic. So the first tip is graphic tees. I personally think that graphic tees give your outfits much more personality and are more pleasurable to look at. I will be drawing on my shirt with a permanent marker. I saw some really cool alien photos on Google that I really wanted to put on my tees. I started drawing on it with a pencil and I proceeded to make little dots on the tee to give it a much cleaner finish. These were the pictures that I was referring to, and I think they look really cool, chilled, and weird, and this is why I decided to draw on them. So I don't know what to say. I hope I'm doing good in my first voiceover, and I'm just gonna play some background music for you guys. I didn't have any background music because I didn't want to get copywritten. So here's some music. Da 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 dum 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 dum. You really thought I was gonna be playing actual music? No, I don't have background music. Do 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 dum 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 dum. How's your day going? And rate my drawing on my shirt skills, by the way. So this was how the t-shirt looked once I was done, and I decided to give it a little quote. I was really happy with the t-shirt. I had another plain white shirt that I decided to draw on because it was really boring and I wanted to give it some more personality. I decided to crop the shirt and don't mind the weird dancing. Um, I decided to crop the shirt because I wanted it to be much more youthful and fun. So this is just me deciding how cropped I want this shirt to be with a chalk, and then I proceeded to cut it after this. Dum 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 da 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 dum 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 dum. So this is how it looked once it was done. I was really happy with the cropped, and don't mind the weird dancing. I was really happy with this alien as well. So the second tip is layering. Layering is a cute way to wear some summer outfits in winter. Even if it's not winter, I think that it looks really cute, and it's not for everyone, but I personally like it. So I decided to layer with the summer dress and I think it looked really cute, and I accessorized with a necklace and these silver earrings, and this is me doing another weird dance. I'm just gonna play this video while so that you guys can look at the outfit and decide if you're into layering or not. And another way to layer is underneath crop tops. I personally think layering with a lighter color looks really cute. This is a cute way to wear your crop tops in winter. And if you have noticed, I made sure to accessorize with a necklace and earrings. Accessorizing your outfits make them look a lot cuter, and it looks like you put more effort than you actually did. So this is how the outfit turned out. I was really happy with it. And again, I'm doing some sort of clapping dance thing and a weird slow motion thing. Wow, I'm so weird to watch. Um, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so that I know that someone is actually watching this video and the tips were helpful. So yeah, this is how the outfit looked, and some more background music. Do 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 do. Come on, sing it with me. Do 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 do. Oh, hair flap. Do do do. Do 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 do. Some more dancing, okay. It's getting weird now, getting weird. Gotta stop, gotta stop. Okay, so this is a close-up version of the outfit. I think it looked really cute, and this is something that I definitely want to try out in winter. For those that are interested, I'm wearing wide leg pants in this outfit. So back to the graphic tees. For the first look, I decided to go with the baggy chilled look because I think this looked really cool if you want to hang out with your friends or something. And I think the baggy outfit is really cute. And then I decided to tuck in the shirt for a more finished look. So just give me a second to tuck in this shirt. I was really happy with how the alien came out. I wasn't sure how it's gonna come out, but I was really happy with the finished look. And apparently, I did not use a permanent marker. I don't know how I didn't see that, but this is not a permanent marker, so I'm actually scared to wash this T-shirt. So again, I'm layering and accessorizing with my necklace and earrings. So yeah, I'm accessorizing with my necklace and earrings. I liked how this outfit turned out. I think this is something that I'm definitely going to wear as well in winter. I haven't tried them yet because I was still trying to figure out what kind of clothes I like wearing. So now that I know, I'm definitely gonna wear this. And this is another close up of the outfit with my earrings and the necklace. So you don't always have to accessorize with jewelry if you do not have, but we'll get into that later. So back to the graphic tee that I did earlier. I'm now wearing my cropped DIY graphic tee, and this time I am accessorizing with a head wrap and backpack, which I will wear a bit later on. I actually struggled a lot to put the head wrap on while standing, and I didn't want to expose what's under my shirt, so I actually had to sit down for this one and wear it a bit later on. I would also like to say big ups to all the YouTubers that do voiceovers without being too weird in them like me. This is a lot of hard work, and yeah, big ups to you guys that do voiceovers. So this is how the outfit looked once it was done, and I played around with the colors. I normally wouldn't match green and black and white, but I think this just gave the outfit a little bit more personality, and I liked how the graphic tee turned out. So my accessorizing in this outfit are the earrings, the necklace, and the head wrap. You can also use a bandana. I think that this is a more oversized bandana than it is of a head wrap. And we're gonna just go through the 3 tips that we learned today. So the first tip was graphic tees, the second was layering, and the third was accessorizing. So another way again to accessorize is with a handbag or a backpack. I think this outfit looked cute as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, to like, and to share this with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. So da 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 dum da dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Let me give myself a round of applause for not being as weird as I thought I would in my first voiceover. I hope I do make more voiceovers so that I can get better. I will see you guys in my next one. FaceTime with your cute face. Call me right now, never too late.